Hey, Pixel Fanatics, welcome back to another video here on the side load. And this is just a quick video basically talking to you guys that the April security patch update is live and available. I don't know if you guys have already downloaded and installed it on your Google Pixel that supports it, but it is up and available. And to a lot of people that's out there a little disappointed because it's a bunch of bug fixes and stuff like that. That's all this was. Like, for people to understand, pixel drops, they happen 4 times. Okay, we get a spring, we get a summer, we get a fall, we get a winter. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So it's not like every month when there is a software update from Google that it means that it's going to be loaded, packed with new AI features and stuff like that. Like, sometimes they are, but they save majority of the feature updates or the the installation of new features. They usually save that for Pixel drop, and that is every quarter. So for people that's like kind of upset about this update and they're like, oh, it's a small file, because like on my Pixel 9a, it was like 62.83 megabytes. It wasn't even that huge of a file. So it's just basically fixing any known issues reported to Google regarding Android 16, and obviously patching those bugs and patching security vulnerabilities. There are tons and tons and tons of vulnerabilities when it comes to software. People have this, this idea that software, like, for instance, from the Apple company, that like software is impenetrable if done right. And that's not true. There's always smart people that can figure out a way to bypass things, to whether they use brute force or whatever the case may be. Excuse me. And so, yeah, these vulnerabilities are discovered and they're patched. And Google, on this path of giving monthly security patch updates, keeping, Android as safe as possible, let's just hope that they don't steer away from that and go to like I don't know, just some weird place. Because like the Pixel 6 wasn't getting software patches, I think, for the last couple of months. It's getting this one. So if you're a Pixel 6 owner, you should be receiving this software update, and go ahead and install it on your phone. The patch vulnerabilities, you'll probably have more in the Pixel 6 update than you will with, say, like the likes of like the Pixel 10 or the Pixel 9a, because the Pixel 9a, Pixel 10, Pixel 9, they've been getting their monthly software updates. So just for some reason, the Pixel 6 didn't get last month's. Well, no, they got last month's. They got the Pixel drop, but they didn't get any more after that, as far as like security patches. So you are getting a very big closeout to Android 16, because that is the other thing that we have to think about here. And that's because Android 17 is right around the corner. This may be the very last security patch for Android 16, mainly before Android 17 launch. Now, other devices that are going to stay on Android 16 would probably still get security patches for Android 16, but a lot of devices that's able to upgrade to Android 17, this would probably be your last major security update before the actual full-fledged Android 17 launch. So, because like Android 17 beta 3, it's still on beta 3, hasn't moved to beta 4. Like I said, from beta 3 to beta 6 is usually just fine-tuning small bugs found. For the most part, APIs are locked in, and Android 17 is pretty much what they considered in the stability platform stage. So with that being said, technically, if there were like absolutely no bugs ever with Android 17 beta 3, this would be the point where they would just roll out Android 17. So they're still fine-tuning it, let's just put it that way. But yeah, devices that would be no longer supported beyond Android 16 would just continue to get the security patch updates going forward as far as vulnerabilities and things like that. But yeah, if you want to know, go to settings in your app. Go to, well, I'll just give you guys a visual. So literally just go to settings. Go to settings in your app. Just kind of scroll down to where you see system, tap system, and scroll, where's it at? software update. So they moved it, it's at the top. So hit software update, and then you can tap there to check for software update. It'll do that, but just go ahead and hit that and let it actually run a check. And as you can see, mine says no new system updates because I'm on Android 17 running beta 3 on my Pixel 10. But if you have a device that's running Android 16, a Pixel device running Android 16, you should see this security patch update. So.